I'm an hour and a half into the painting. I've returned to Mile Creek using Artist Soft Pastels. For the amount of time I put in with it, I'm happy. It's impressionistic in style. Now I'm wanting to break up the feeling of lines going across the painting. It's very horizontal lines aside from the major tree. So rather than the sky looking as if it just goes across in a straight line, I'm wanting to have movement showing the sky has got a diagonal direction movement, a little bit more picking up of the colour that's in the mountains and bringing it into the sky at the top too. That's actually the winter sky colour, the ultramarine blue, and I am depicting a scene in Australia, in basically the central Queensland area in June, which is winter time. So we need a little bit of that winter sky colour. It's almost like it's a transition from autumn to winter in weather conditions, because you've got the rather pretty clouds that one sees in the area in autumn, but a hint of that colder winter sky colour at the top corner there. But I've got rid of that feeling of things just going across with a little bit of downward direction. Reflecting the highlights in that water. At the final stage here, we have to really develop the contrast of light and shade. We have to watch our composition, that we're focusing on the major interest points. We've got to watch our colour harmony hasn't gone too wildly bold. We've got a lot of colours happening now. We have a blue violet, we have a blue, we've got a slightly hint towards blue-green. We've got a green tone, we've got a slight hint towards yellow-green. That's a huge range of colours. And then crossing the colour wheel to the other side, we've got a bit of red and we've got a bit of red-orange. And of course there's that yellow-green. We're picking up so many colours, almost too many colours to have a good colour harmony. So we just have to watch that a lot of these colours are muted, because if we had all of the colours that I've just mentioned in their full bright chroma, we would have a complete hodgepodge colour harmony, which is so easy to do. So these oranges, which are a very bright colour, they're just slightly muted back, a little bit of more or less an orange brown more than a bright orange. So we have to watch what colours we allow to be at full strength and keep a lot of them muted. We've got to watch the shadows too. We had reasonably strong shadows from the horse and the cattleman, and also from that tree, but very little suggestion of shadow underneath the black cows near the creek edge. So we increased the shadows there. it both with the dark and the light. Not successful really. All it really did was try to blend in the existing pastel and gave me a soft edge where what I wanted had been a crisp edge. These days I actually digitally sign a lot of my work because I'm not making it for the art market anymore. I do sell my work as prints. So I often digitally sign because I don't do the tiniest signature these days with my arthritic hands. It's a lot easier to do a nice looking signature on the computer than in reality. My age makes impressionism the ideal art form for me now. I don't have the stamina to put 10 hours or more into a painting. This painting, when I started this session, was an hour and a half in. So it's going to be an hour and 3/4 by the time I have finished this session. And I'm not sure, of course, until I complete it, but that may be done. Now, that's great for a demonstration for you, but if I was doing a major work or a major piece of fine art for sale, I would probably want to put at least 10 hours into the work, and I'm much happier now in my basically retired from gallery exhibition years, doing smaller and quicker impressionistic studies. I can still basically show you and teach you all that I would do for those major works. We're just about finishing here. Can you see I've just done a branch hanging down from the tree? I'm reasonably happy with this for an impressionistic study of Mile Creek.